Good morning to all of you, and once again welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes. So dear students, today we shall discuss about prefix and suffix. Okay, it's your chapter number 5. Okay, chapter number 5 of class 8 English grammar. Okay, that is prefix and suffix. So dear students, we have discussed a lot about the sentences, types of sentences, subject and predicate. Okay, so today we shall discuss about prefix and suffix. So what we see a lot of words in our books that are that a group of letters are added to the primary words to make it as a new word. That group of letters, that group of words, okay, or letters, a group of letters are called your prefixes or suffixes. Okay, so a group of letters that is added at the beginning of a primary word is called your prefix, and a group of letters, the letters or group of letters added at the end of the primary word is known as your suffixes. Okay, so today we shall discuss about prefix and suffix. Okay, so note it down, what is the prefix? So the letters are a group of letters. The letters or group of letters added at the beginning. The letters or a group of letters added at the beginning of a word is called a prefix. Get it? So what do you mean by prefix? The letters or a group of letters added at the beginning of a word is called a prefix. Okay. For example, in this, in, these are kind of some prefix words. So these kind of words are added to the beginning of a word. Okay, so that word is called your primary word. So these prefixes are added at the beginning of the primary word. Okay, let it be in. It is a word. Okay, it is your primary word. Okay, it is your primary word. We will add in the beginning of this word to make it as a new word. In. So what it becomes? Correct. Correct becomes incorrect. It develops or forms a new word that is your incorrect. Okay. So this correct word and these prefix are added to the beginning of this word and makes a new word that is called your new word. It is your new word. Okay. Let it be. Okay. That it is your root word or primary word. Root word, or we can say it is a primary word, and this is your suffix. Okay, so suffixes are the words words which are added to the beginning of a word, of a primary word, to make it as a new word. So sorry, it will be your prefix. Okay. So prefixes are a group of letters which are added to the beginning of your primary word to make it as a new word. Okay. So this word becomes your new word, that is your incorrect. So we have added in prefix to the word correct to make a new word, that is your incorrect. Okay. Similarly, we can add this prefix to connect. Okay, it is your primary word to make it a new sentence. What will be the new sentence of this prefix and word? It will be your disconnect. Disconnect. Okay, it is your primary word. Shortly and writing. It is your connect, it is your primary word. It is your prefix. Okay, and this is your new word. Okay, so we add prefix to the primary word to make a new sentence. So in this way we can add the prefix or suffix to the primary word to make it as a new word. Okay. So, did you get it? That the letters or a group of letters added at the beginning of a word is called a prefix. Okay. So next we will study about your suffix. So the letters or a the letters are a group of letters added at the end of the word is called a suffix. Okay, so the letters or a group of letters added at the end of a word is called a suffix. Okay, so suffixes are that words which are added at the end of the primary word. Okay. Okay. So the letters or a group of letters added at the end of a word is called your suffix. For example, your is, able, and sure. So these are your examples of the suffix is, able, er, ls, less. Okay. So these are kind of words that are these are kind of letters, a group of letters that are added at the end of a word to make a new word. So these kind of words are called your suffix. Okay. For example, let's take an example. Let's make some words by using this suffix. Okay. Child. It is your primary word. It is your primary word. So what I told you that what are suffixes? The words that are added at the end of the word. Added at the end of a word is called a suffix. So we add this suffix to this word to make a new word, that is your child suffix. This is your suffix. Okay, this is your suffix. So we added this suffix words at the end of this primary word to make a new word that is your scientist. Okay, it is your new word. Okay, so the new words are formed by the addition of prefixes or suffixes. Okay, so primary word, child is a primary word, and we have added ish, that is your suffixes, to make a new word that is your childish. Okay, similarly, we can add some more suffixes to the words. Door. Okay. It is a primary word. We add apple. We add apple to make a new word that is adorable. Okay. This is your new word and this is your suffix. Okay. We can also add some more words. Same is your primary word. We added some suffix like er, that becomes your singular. We makes a new word that is your singular. So in this way, we can make some new words by the addition of your suffixes or prefixes. Get it? So once again, look at your blackboards. The letters or a group of letters added at the end of a word is called a suffix. Okay, so these are the suffix ish, le, er, les. Okay, these are kind of some suffixes, and we added these suffixes to some words like adore, able becomes a new word that is your adorable. Sing becomes a new word that is your single. So similarly, we can make some more new words also by the addition of prefixes and suffixes. Okay, so this is all about your prefix and suffix. Okay, so once again I want to clarify about prefix and suffix. So prefixes are the words that are added at the beginning of a word. तो prefixes क्या है? वो words हैं sorry वो group of letters हैं जो कि क्या है एक ग्रुप ऑफ प्रीफिक्सेस जो है वो ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स हैं जो कि क्या है एक वर्ड के पहले क्या है ऐड किए जाते हैं. ठीक है ना? और सफिक्सेस क्या है? सफिक्सेस वो वर्ड हैं, वो ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स हैं जो कि क्या है एक वर्ड के बाद में ऐड किए जाते हैं. ओके, so prefixes are a group of letters that are added at the beginning of a word, and suffixes are a group of letters that are added at the end of a word to make it as a new word. Okay, did you get it? So I hope you have understood it properly. Okay, तो फिर से एक बार क्या मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, प्रीफिक्स क्या है? प्रीफिक्स वो वर्ड है, वो ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स हैं जो कि क्या है एक वर्ड के पहले लगते हैं, और सफिक्स वो ग्रुप्स ऑफ लेटर्स हैं जो कि क्या है एक वर्ड के बाद में लगते हैं, ताकि क्या है एक नया वर्ड हम लोग क्या है फॉर्म कर सके, और नया वर्ड क्या है फॉर्म होता है. मैंने क्या कुछ एग्जांपल भी आपको दिख रहे हैं. सो सिमिलरली यू कैन सी a lot of examples in your books also. Okay, so here you can see there are some prefixes and suffixes are given in your book. Okay, in your grammar books. So here what the sentence tells, complete this table by making 3 new words with given prefixes and suffixes. So here you have to use this prefix or suffix words to make 3 new words. Okay, okay, so I am doing some 2 to 3 examples, you see it. Okay, so look at the blackboard. Here we will have to make three sentences, three words by using this prefix and suffix word. Okay, by using these prefix and suffix words or letters. Okay, in, it is your prefix, it is a suffix, prefix, suffix. Okay, it's your prefix, suffix, prefix and suffix. So we will have to make three words by using these prefixes and suffixes. So look at the blackboard. Okay, so in, we can make three words: inactive, incorrect. Okay, inactive, incorrect, inappropriate. Okay, so here we have made three words using this in prefix: inactive, incorrect, inappropriate. Similarly, we will make all these prefix and suffix letters. Okay, wisdom, shalom, freedom. Okay, so we make three words by using this DOM. Okay, wisdom, shalom and freedom. Okay, similarly we can make more three new words by using this suffix. Okay, singer, manager, driver. Okay, similarly miss, misfortune, mistake, mislead. Okay, these are kind of new words that we have made by using this suffix and prefix. Okay, able, vegetable, adorable. Okay, so one more new word I am adding here. Changeable. Okay, so here we make a new word using this able word, able letters. Okay, vegetable, adorable, changeable. Okay, so in this way we can make some more new words by using some prefixes and suffixes. Okay, तो इस तरह से हमने क्या है प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्स लेटर्स को यूज करके क्या है नए नए तीन क्या है वर्ड्स हमने क्या है लिखा है। तो इस तरह से क्या है बहुत सारे वर्ड्स भी आप क्या है बना सकते हैं प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्स लगाकर। ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर prefix and suffix. That is chapter number 5. So we have completed chapter number 5 of your grammar of class 5th. Okay, prefix and suffix. So if you find any difficulty, if you don't understand any sorts of words, any word, then you can ask me when the school reopens. Okay, I am with you. I will tell you, I will clarify your doubts whenever you ask me. Okay, this is all about your prefix and suffix. So hope you are enjoying your online classes, and today you should see these videos and look at your books, read your books, so that you can get all sorts of things, all sorts of informations that I have told you in these videos. Okay, so this is all about your prefix and suffix. So thank you for your valuable time for enjoying your online classes. So keep on enjoying our videos and follow the book also, read properly, and whatever doubts you have with you, you can note it down in a paper, and when the school reopens, you can get those questions and ask us, so that we can make you clarify your doubts. So stay home and stay safe in your online classes. Thank you.